Now in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make subpatch tubing. I'm going to start by zooming in here a bit. Oops. And then I'm going to make a disk in the center here, and I'm going to put it down to 6 point like this, and then I'm going to extend it out here like this. Nice little tube, but again rather simple right now. So I'm going to take a copy of this and put in a layer here, and then I'm going to put my mouse cursor in the center and hit R for rotate. Then I'll rotate 90 degrees. So select the first layer, select the second layer as background, and hit multiply, nope, construct, select drill, and slice. After I sliced up the tube a bit, select the layer again, select these polygons and extend with a shortcut E, and then move out using T a bit, extend again using E, move out using T, extend again, and move out using T again. I'm then going to use my scale on the H key to flatten out this end of the tube again, and I'm going to use Shift C to melt down these 3 polygons into one, like this. Now I need to remove this part of the tube, so select these polygons, press delete, and select the points, and now scale these together. And you now need to merge the points here, so M for merge, and automatic, and OK, 2 points merged. That's good. Now it's a good idea with while doing subpatches to cut some lines in the tubes to kinda control the bending area of the tube. So I'm gonna make a knife cut using Shift K. I'm gonna cut around here and around here. So now I can select the end tubes, oops, like this, move this a little closer so you can see, and take this, move that a little closer so you can see, and then I'm kinda gonna extend this a little bit, so I wanna do, say, a bend on this. For that I'm gonna use lathe, so I hit Shift L for lathe, and I press over here in the side view around here. Press and move the mouse down. Now as you can see, it's rather weird looking here, so what you need to do is go into front view and drag this little line you see here until it fit to the edge of the tubing, like there. And if I pull this line over here, I can extend the bend out a bit. Now this is 360 degrees and I only need 90, so I'm gonna press N for numeric, and I'm gonna set 90 degrees, and I'm gonna set this down to, like, say 4 sides, and return and close the numeric. As you see now, that part is flipped. That happens often when doing the lathe. And also you have a polygon left inside here, you can see. First you need to merge because the points here are not joined, so M for merge, and OK. Then in polygon mode here, select this polygon in the middle, deselect this, and delete. Now you can lasso these, and F for flip, And again, I'll take this end and I'm gonna extend this out. E for extend, T for move, and drag this out here. I'm then, like I did here, gonna slice an extra part here to help the bend for the sub patches. Like here, and like here, using Shift K for knife. Now I have the tube. I can then do a little extra extent. If we say I take this polygon and copy it into a new layer, I'm gonna extrude that, Shift E, so I get an extra tube here. And I'm then gonna connect these two in a minute. Now I select the end polygon here, use B for bevel, bevel out a bit, bevel out a bit again, and bevel out a bit again, and bevel this, and bevel this. And it might have gotten a little bit too big now, but we'll look into that in a second, like this, and scale down a bit. Oops. Maybe more like this. Okay. Now again I'm gonna close up the ends with the mesh smooth. Not mesh smooth, sorry. That's from 3D Max. To do the sub patching here, again, to control the ends, I'm gonna slice here to help it control the ends, and here, and here, and again on layer 1 I'm gonna slice here and here. Now I can then delete the end polygons like this. I can delete the end polygons over here, and I can use my nice little tool here called HD Pumping. It's a nice little plugin that makes it possible to make thickness to a flat object. You can also use a 3 plugin like Thickener, I think it's called, but you can find that on flay.com. But using the HD Pump It, I'm gonna now give some thickness to the tube, like this, and I'm gonna press alphanumeric, and I'm gonna set 3 polygons in the edge, and return. The same I'm gonna do to the other add-on tube here. So HD Pump It, and then like this, and 3 polygons again, and we're done. I can now take this tube and this tube, drag them together like this, and if I hit tab now, you'll see I have some really nice smooth tubing going on here, and it's outside and it's inside. You can move through the tube if you like, and as you see here, oops, it's a little hard to move through just in the perspective view, but as you see, in general, a nice tubing here, and not using very much polygons.